Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a modded version of the Puzzles and Survival on your phone. No jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see, I got tons of money. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. It's fully working, guys. No jailbreak. So let's get right into the tutorial. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this is super cool, guys. So let's get right into the video. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this is super cool. Fully working method. So let's go. Guys, so as you can see in the Puzzles and Survival, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this modded version. So what you need to do, guys, is go to this website, hexmods.com, find the Puzzles and Survival, press on it, press the download button, and you're good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. And if you go to the search bar and type in Puzzles and Survival, you guys can see it is super expensive, which is why I would not encourage any of you guys to spend money on this game. So as you can see, guys, when we go to in-app purchases, you can see it is super expensive. So if you do want to get everything for free, guys, just hop on over to the Hex Mods and you're going to be all set. You can get this crazy modded version, guys, with unlimited resources. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. This is super cool and it actually works pretty well. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. All you got to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to this hexmods.com site. It's the best website, guys, to download this, and then just go to the search bar and type in puzzle, and as you can see, guys, it says Puzzles and Survival. So just press on that, press the download button, and you're good to go, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So as you can see, guys, look how rich I am. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, get the word out. This is super cool, guys. And yeah, I have looked into some other methods, but this is the only one that actually works. So yes, it's super awesome and it's totally updated and everything like that. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome, guys. It actually works. So yeah, be sure to get the word out because this is totally updated and everything like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, but try it out for yourself just so more people are like educated about the tutorial. I mean, this is super cool, guys, and it actually works, so try it out. See you later, and peace out.